Hey you guys, welcome to the Blending with Henry show. My name is Henry and Happy New Year! Now I have so many Vitamix surprises planned for you guys this year. And believe it or not, I'm planning all the way to early next year. So it's going to be fun. So fasten your seatbelts. Now thanks to all of you, Blending with Henry has just hit 16,000 subscribers and over 3.6 million views on YouTube. And I couldn't have done it without you. Believe it or not, you guys, it's tough to get subscribers and followers in the blending world. On Instagram, it's even tougher. You may see some people in the blending world with thousands of followers. Now, many times over, they're paying for these followers, and they're not genuine. Blending with Henry will only accept what is earned and never create followers. Yep, a brand new Vitamix product, and I'm going to reveal it in my next video. So once again, I want to say thank you for helping Blending with Henry become the #1 channel on YouTube for blender reviews and delicious blender recipes.